The Wildwood Nature Center holds many of our school's fond memories, so our group decided to visit back for old time's sake and see if there's anything new going on there. To find out more, our group decided to interview Maggie Martin, the Nature Center program coordinator.
So the history of the Nature Center is we were founded in 1986, and we were across a little pathway, and we were a classroom and a little animal room, and we have grown a lot over the last 38 years. So COVID, we had to kind of adjust a lot. COVID, we saw that we can really spend all day outside. So some of our programs that we offer are, like I said, nature preschool, nature play school. We do parent-taught classes. We have rangers in training. We do backyard campouts. We had one last weekend where we have families come and they pitch a tent out in the field, and then we cook for them, and it's really great.
From the old building to the new one.
Yeah, so the Nature Center has changed a lot. We started, like I said, in 1986. And over the years, we have grown. We have now a 5-acre restored prairie. We have 2 ponds. So our animal room went from one room over at the original Nature Center to now we are spread out in this room. So we have a lot of our animals in, this is what we would call our animal room. So it's been really great to be able to expand that. And then the Nature Center now has 3 designated classrooms. So we were able to expand our camp programming as well. So we added Nature Camp Juniors this summer as like a mid-age group. And so we have 1 designated classroom for parent-taught classes, another classroom for 2 and 3-year-olds, and then 1 from 3 to 6 and scout groups and birthday parties.
Where do you guys get your animals from?
A lot of our animals, sometimes they're like given to us by people. Other times we get them from like a rescue. Have just been unfortunately left on our doorsteps. So please don't do that because we're kind of at capacity. I think what is most different about the Park Ridge Nature Center than others is we're really in our neighborhood. We see the same people every day walking their dogs. We know a lot of our community members. It's really a kind of tight-knit little community in Park Ridge, and so it's really great to get to know everybody and be really accessible. A lot of nature centers are kind of like pushed into a forest, and so people don't readily know where they are or have a hard time finding them. And because we are kind of just right here in the heart of Park Ridge, it's really easy for people to come and interact and engage. I think too, having like a little nature room is really, playroom is really important. Only have families come and look at the animals, but then they get to engage and play as well and learn something new each month. Here we have an alligator snapping turtle named Billy, and Fig, a red-footed tortoise. He's kind of like our mascot. He gets to roam around, and people always kind of come and find Fig. Where's Fig hiding? We have some native animals like our prairie dogs over here, Hazel and Peanut, and then we have just some like kind of pet animals. We have ferrets and bunnies, because they're really great to interact with. And we also have a soft-shelled turtle that's from Florida, so that's really cool. We have 2 albino snakes, which is a fun fact. We have a bearded dragon. And another great fact that people might not know is that we adopt out cockroaches. So if you ever want a Madagascar hissing cockroach, you fill out an adoption form and you can come on down to the Nature Center.
About 90% of people who took the quiz have been to the Nature Center. The majority of people voted a 10 out of 10 for fun. About 88% said they'd want to visit again or for the first time.